Hello, everyone. This is Paul. Today is day 19 of the 66 days of data. But I just kind of wanted to go through a demo of something that I was working on and that I'll also maybe be showing in some kind of interview coming up soon. So yeah, essentially it's converting speech to text and then predicting the emotion just off a simple sentiment analysis. So here I'll show the Google Colab. So here, also I wanted to give a shout out to this person.
Writing's not that easy, but
Okay, Nicholas Renaud. Yeah, so converting speech to text in 10 minutes. I use this video and some of his other videos, and he just does really good tutorials on a lot of different data science stuff. So yeah, he helped me figure this out. And yeah, so I'll just walk through the notebook. So here we're just importing all the packages that's needed. So Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then the IBM Watson is what converts speech to text. Okay, and then so in this cell, I'm setting up IBM speech to text. So I think these packages help deal with audio. And then here, in order to use IBM Watson, you have to have a unique API key, which you get from signing up on their website. And essentially this, I guess, authenticates that you're allowed to use IBM speech to text. And it also keeps track of how much you use, because with the free version, you only get, I think it's like 500 minutes a month of speech to text conversion. So that's what this cell is doing. It's just setting up my API key. Okay, and then these imports here, I think, are to be able to access files like local files. So here, I'll run this. Oh, and this is also so I can upload my own files, like my own audio. So here, I'll run this. So now it's asking me to choose a file. This is GarageBand here, so I'll just record something real quick. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we got audio. So I love data. 66 days of data is great. Here, let me try this again. That was super corny. Yeah, I love data. 66 data. Or I love data. 66 days of data is great. So yeah, let's see. Wonder if this I love data. Synaptics data. Or I love data. 66 days of data is great. So this should predict a positive emotion probably, because I'm using words like love and great. Or I love data. Now I'm just like, I guess, cleaning up the data. I love data. 66 days of data is great. Okay, so that's going to be our clip. Let's export this. Just call this 66 demo MP3. Okay. I will go back here, choose the files, and open this. Okay, so that's uploading the local audio file. And then what I do here is I input the file name. So this is called 66 demo .mp3. So let's run that. And then this right here, okay, this function is built to read in an MP3 file and split it into smaller chunks if needed. I actually think I took out the splitting to smaller chunks part because I'm just using short, like short audio clips. But this cell here was to split it up, but I don't need to do that right now. So yeah, this is just reading in the audio file. Okay. And then this is the actual conversion of speech to text using the IBM Watson. And again, I learned all this syntax from the video I watched. I didn't figure this out on my own because yeah, it looks kind of cryptic. But yeah, so let's run this. But yeah, I put a timing piece right here because this, it takes a while. It takes 4.5 seconds about, which is pretty slow. So that could be an issue if you wanted to like convert speech to text in real time or something. Yeah, in this cell, this should print out the conversion. So let's see what it says. Okay, I love it. Hesitation, 66 days of data is great. Kind of got it close. Speech to text isn't always accurate. But yeah, now that we have our speech to text, let's try to predict the emotion just based off its sentiment. So sentiment essentially like returns a polarity value and a subjectivity value, and the polarity is from a scale from -1 to 1, which means more negative numbers are like, well, they're negative, 0 is neutral, and then positive is positive. And then subjectivity is a number between 0 and 1, and it pretty much means like, are you saying something that's just subjective, like an opinion, or yeah, some kind of opinion about something, or is it objective, which are just kind of just like arbitrary statements. And then I'm using this text blob. I think this is like some kind of NLP package that works with sentiment. Okay, so this prints out the subjectivity and the polarity. So it has a positive, pretty high subjectivity. And I think that makes sense because I'm saying 66 days of data is great, which is subjective. And then it has a positive polarity because I say the word love and great. And then if we go down here, we can just predict the emotion with this simple if statement, and it's a positive emotion because based just on the polarity. So yeah, that was a demo of something I'm working on, data science related. So yeah, thank you for watching.